So, it's been about a year since my original video that showed how I was able to go from a murky green koi pond to a crystal clear koi pond in less than 24 hours. After years of trying expensive store-bought algicides, flocculants, UV clarifiers, and mechanical and biological filtration equipment with no success, I finally fixed the problem by building a relatively inexpensive bog filter. For details on the construction and installation of the bog filter, I'll leave a link in the upper left corner to that video. After about a year of running the bog filter, I'm pleased to report that the pond water has remained crystal clear the entire time. However, that's not to say that there were no hiccups. Over the winter, the outlet discharge became clogged with leaves. As a result, the water in the bog filter backed up and eventually overflowed onto the ground. This caused the pump and the skimmer to run dry and ultimately seize up. I suppose the water was too cold for the pump's thermal cutoff switch to kick in. In any case, I had to buy a new pump, which was rated for a higher flow rate than the original. So, the new pump caused the bog garden to overflow because the discharge pipe was too small to accommodate the higher flow rate from the new pump. To resolve this, I installed a second discharge pipe with a larger diameter for an additional safety margin. Another issue I encountered was the considerable bulging of the top portion of the bog filter. I added additional bracing using 2x6s to address this issue. So, there you have it. If you've built your own bog garden or are planning to build one for your pond, then hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and avoid the problems I experienced. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.